We are often enamored by the word authentic. Pero ang hirap i-determine kung ano talaga yung authentic. But in the case of Shantong Restaurant sa West Avenue, Quezon City, parang ganun yung mararamdaman mo at malalasahan mo sa food nila. Here you can taste Filipinized Mandarin cuisine with your friends and family. Authentic ba? Authentic sa Pinoy experience of what a Chinese restaurant should be. At ito yung kwento ni Justin Chang from the third generation of the restaurant owners. So we are having a feast today and we are at Shantung and I'm with Justin and we are trying out some of their most popular dishes. Eto, dito tayo nagkakasundo sa mga basics. Pansit, patatim, fried chicken, dumplings. Di ba happy na? And ito talaga yung pinaka-happy ako na dish, yung hot and sour soup. And I'm now having the legendary. Legendary, masasabi natin legendary kasi one of the oldest versions of hot and sour soup. Yeah. I will try, ha. Sarap niya. So, very classic, very straightforward. Ito yung one of the simplest na hot and sour soup na natikman ko, no? Wala siya masyadong daming arte. Pero what is unique to it is may pork blood, no? So, Santo, this is a very old recipe ba?
Yes, this recipe, from my grandfather pa. Ito yung bestseller namin since 1958.
1958. Ito siya parang you are the third generation of the third generation. Then you're running the whole operations right now.
Yeah.
It's very interesting kasi yung dishes niya talaga is very reminiscent of mga old Chinese restaurants, no? So, wala kayo masyadong changes sa menu, wala kayo masyadong parang adjustment sa mga recipes.
We try our best to maintain the taste na nakasanayan na ng customers namin. Kasi generations na yung kumakain sa amin na patrons eh. So they always look for...
Pamilya talaga, no?
Parang may mga kwento nga na like, lola na siya, tapos before, binibring pa siya dito ng father niya when she was a toddler. So, mga ganong stories, which na-happy kami whenever we hear that.
Yeah.
Shantong Restaurant is the first na nag-introduce ng hot and sour soup sa Manila. So, nag-open kami sa 1958. That's already one of our best sellers since before pa. That time, konti pa lang yung mga Chinese restaurants. It's a generational favorite ng customers namin eh. It's just the right amount of spicy, right amount of sour. We serve authentic Mandarin cuisine na passed down by my lolo pa from his province in Shandong. Shandong is actually a province in China. It's prepared the traditional way pa rin. Everything is cooked fresh before siya i-serve. Kaya we always recommend na consume immediately para at least syempre yung freshness malasahan din nila.
So, ano yung mga best sellers natin dito?
Actually, everything na hinanda ko sa table right now is our best sellers. So, pero syempre, pinakasikat namin is the hot sour soup.
Yeah, ito yung binalikan ko dito talaga, yung hot and sour soup, no?
Na-mention nyo kanina, like, parang a bit subtle yung flavor.
Yeah,
Traditionally, nalutok namin. Medyo very subtle lang talaga yung spiciness niya, tsaka yung sourness. But at the same time, if gusto ng customers na dagdagan pa, they just add more vinegar and add more pepper.
This is another very unique dish na nakain ko dito. Ito yung beef with green peppers, no? So, hindi siya masyadong maanghang, no? Kasi it's green peppers naman siya. Hindi siya yung siling pang sigang. Pero, it's really something na very unique to you, no? Wala akong nakitang ganito sa iba.
That's actually one of our, parang best sellers na favorite din ng mga customers namin. Sometimes, pinapalaman pa nila yan sa manto, sa steamed bread namin. Kasi very flavorful siya eh. Minsan nga ako mismo when I ordered that, papalaman ko sa manto, lagyan ko pa ng cheese.
I'm so excited. This is one of their specialties here, ang patatim with our mantaw, no? And ito siya, it's like a DIY siopaw. Di ba kasi you assemble it. So, ito malalaki talaga tong steam buns niya, no? And you're supposed to parang make a sandwich, no? Patatim. Ito. Di na nagtipid. Wait. Pero dapat kasi, ito, may laman at saka may taba. Then, sauce. Let's see if it won't get too messy. Pero, ganun talaga yun, di ba? It's meant to be a bit messy. And, ito. Mm. Sarap. Lambot. At saka, hindi masyadong matamis. No? Mm. Ito, pwede ito pang heavy merienda. mm. Mm. And ito, very popular fried chicken. Very classic, parang Chinese style na fried chicken talaga. And may sauce, medyo sweet and sour.
One of the original dishes din from 1958.
There's a certain aroma. May secret to. I-share mo ba?
Pagalitan ako.
O, di ba? Papagalitan siya. So, may special aroma talaga na parang Chinese restaurant, hindi to lutong bahay. No? There is. Alam ko yun. Hindi ko rin i-share. At ito super sarap dito dahil ito siya, purong shrimp talaga. When you bite into it, very prominent yung shrimp flavor. At saka, hindi siya over-seasoned. So, ito siya, ang mantaw, cut into cubes and coated in the shrimp. Ito, very important yung sauce. Yan na ako, happy na ako. No?
We started in 1958. It was started by my grandfather. We started in Benavides, which is in Binondo. Then that burned down, sadly. Then we transferred to Echage, Quiapo area, but that also burned down. So we transferred here sa West Avenue.
So ito siya, this started in Quiapo in the 1950s. Pero it moved to this location in the 80s, tama ba?
So this was supposed to be the second branch. Buti lang nabili na to bago nasunog yung kabila. At least nakalipat kami.
Nakalipat. Pero napaka parang interesting yun a story. Diba? Normal naman yan sa negosyo na may mga challenges. And pag masunugan, parang walan ka na talaga ng pag-asa, no? So, anong generation yung nasunugan? Yung mom's generation mo? Or
Generation ng father ko.
Father mo pa rin,
Generation ng
oo.
father ko. Before yung nasunog sila.
Oo.
Parang talagang hirap daw na like they went to the ashes, tapos nagpupulot pa sila ng mga coins
Coin?
from the fire. It's sad na we were separated from the Manila area.
Manila area.
Pero we have customers pa rin that come from that area. They sometimes come here pa to eat.
There is just so much food in front of me. It's time to dig in and enjoy. Kaya kayo, bisita din kayo sa Shantung.